Hello children, I am back with another maths fun video for you. The topic for this video is managing information. We live in the age of technology. We get a lot of information from different sources. It is important to read this information carefully and understand it so that we can find out the information that is actually useful to us. This is called managing information. Let's understand this in detail using some examples. बाळांनो, या तंत्रज्ञानाच्या युगात माहिती मॅनेज करणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. याबाबत आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये अधिक समजावून घेऊया. In the picture below, the mangoes are labeled with the months of a year. Write the number of days in the respective months. बाळांनो, या आकृतीत आपल्याला महिन्यांमधले दिवस लिहायचे आहेत. इंग्लिश कॅलेंडरचा हा टॉपिक शिकवताना मी तुम्हाला एक कविता गाऊन दाखवली होती महिन्यांमधले दिवस लक्षात ठेवायला. बरोबर की नाही? आठवते तुम्हाला? डू यू रिमेंबर दॅट पोएम? कम ऑन सिंग विथ मी. 30 days had September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone. As you can see in this picture, I have written the number of days in the respective months. You all should also write this in your books. Using this picture, now we have to complete the sentence. The picture gives the name of dash months. The picture gives the name of 12 months. In the picture, there are dash months of 31 days. See the picture. Which all months have 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Counting these months, we get 7 months. In the picture, there are 7 months of 31 days. There are dash months of 30 days. Looking at the picture, we can say that the months of April, June, September, November have 30 days. So there are 4 months of 30 days. The month with 28 or 29 days is, as you can see in the picture, there is only one month with 28 or 29 days, and that is February. The month with 28 or 29 days is February. The first 31-day month after May is dash. Here we have to find the first month after May, that is 31 days. The next month after May is June, but it has 30 days. After June comes July. The month of July has 31 days. So the first 31-day month after May is July. Now let's look at another example. You can see a table in this picture. In this table, there are months along with the names of students who have birthdays in that particular month. बाळांनो, या चित्रात आपल्याला जो टेबल दिसतोय ना, त्यामध्ये महिन्यांची नावं व त्या महिन्यात वाढदिवस असणाऱ्या मुलांची नावे आहेत. हा टेबल व्यवस्थित बघा. आपण या टेबलच्या साह्याने काही प्रश्न सोडवणार आहोत. In which months do Chaitali and Joseph have their birthdays? As you can see in the table, Chaitali and Joseph have their birthdays in the month of October. How many students have their birthdays in April? Veena, Vedanta and Shakil have their birthdays in April. That means 3 students, Veena, Vedanta, Shakil, have their birthdays in April. Which month has the maximum number of birthdays? सगळ्यात जास्त बर्थडेज कोणत्या मंथमध्ये येतात? जर आपण सगळ्या महिन्यांमधले बर्थडेज मोजून बघितले तर आपल्याला समजते की सर्वात जास्त बर्थडेज मार्चमध्ये येतात. द मंथ ऑफ मार्च हॅज मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ बर्थडेज. In which month are there no birthdays? In the table, there is only one month in which there are no birthdays, and that is July. The month of July has no birthdays. Name the children whose birthdays are in January. As you can see in the table, there are 2 students who have their birthdays in January, Maya and Tanaya. I have solved 2 examples from the textbook for you. Now you have to solve this example as your homework. Look at this year's calendar and fill in the बॉक्सेस. आता तुम्ही या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं लिहायची आहेत आणि मला पाठवायची आहेत. थँक्यू.